Hello, it's your phone. I share for me, Mama Kwa Baba PHIN TV. I had the latest gist of showbiz and entertainment. And then the made the more cause Zion Felix, I swear you. We see 4-bedroom apartments. I'm at the parents. I say I talk car brand new. I can wear my I seen a new Sonny and I will fire manuna. My person actually say, bro, my bro, and who you know, my bread I ain't quite. To the way down massy. Now I can't show me say, we are chassis. Na bebre na mekwan mu eba. O sure da o masi bebre woni o ma yamani nyina na ni so na ni we emfi o mo bread biara da. Na afen so program na ekoso no ye bisano Minalen ho asem if se Minalen e ko ni Instagram page e ko tweet say sisi ade one Zion Felix ejai bibia enkoso o muntembiem enti no ni ho che no mu na ye bisane se na sisi one Minalen relationship na ekose we hu post na ana o say I post ni dia we hu by on person obeka ho asem if we say ono no mu no ye okay and so be or one ho so ye okay dia and then e ho ne de omu ntwengu ko so person obeka ho kra na bibie mu no nyame ne omohwefo na nyame nso ne omoboafo nti etiefo ni ahwefo mmoyen ko hwe video ni mbra na hwe ne course afen so don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our page for more gist.
For me, and I appreciate it. Some people too genuinely are happy that I'm going through all these things are happening. Meaning I'm okay. They hear say I am okay. People around me are okay. I'm able to make people happy. There are people who like what I'm doing. What I always say is, I mean, if you enjoy the content I create or you enjoy what I provide to the audience, enjoy it. Other ones in there, we take care of it on the other side.